Looking for a fun Christmas art project that your elementary students will love? How about one with a cute elf theme that'll turn your hallway bulletin board into a masterpiece? Sounds amazing, right? To create these festive Christmas elf hats, your students can use a roll-a-dice game, a you-pick worksheet, or even digital spinners to choose their patterns. And the best part? No need for fancy supplies. All you need is drawing paper, markers, and a thin paintbrush. Love the idea but short on time? No worries. I've got you covered. Sit back and relax while I teach your students how to play the roll-a-dice game as well as design their elf hat step by step. I'll share plenty of tips and tricks to make drawing, coloring, and painting a breeze. This Christmas art project includes a step-by-step demonstration video for your students, a printable handout perfect for substitute teachers, a PowerPoint that guides them through every step, and 2 engaging writing prompts to tie everything together. Be sure to click on the preview button to see everything included. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.